Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, in this video we are going to make shadow dance on Scratch. So first let's see the demo of this project. So I will click on this green flag. So in last as you have seen, they are just dancing properly in group step by step, and even their face color and body color is changing. So that is the real shadow. So after sometime the shadow and it's become more black in that. So this is the coding of backdrop, and this is the coding of LB Dance 1 and LB Dance 2. So in this video I am not making a kind of clone in the coding, because in the second last video I have made the clone. If you don't see that video, so please see it, then you can understand. So today we are just taking 4 LB dance and then we will put the coding will be same of sprites, but the position will be change of each sprite. So let's make a new one. So I will go here on file and I will click on this new, and then I have clicked on this, and now I will get a page of my desktop. So yeah, you can see here I will delete this regular cat. First I will take a backdrop of a dance. You can take anyone, but I will take a music. In music category I will take it this one. Yeah, concert. This is good. And for now I will put the coding of it. So first I will go in the event block and I will take it whenever the green flag will click. So yeah, when the green flag will click, so what will happen? So for that I will go in the control block and I will choose this forever, and now I want a sound. I don't want this sound. This is pop sound. I don't want this sound. So I will just go here and I will delete it, and I will just take a new song, new sound. So for that I will just search here as a dance and I will get it some dance sound. So let's see which one is better. Dance magic, what it sound. Let's see first. No, the dance sitar. So I want this, yeah, dance head. You can listen it. Yeah, this one is good. So I will just go in the coding and I will just go here in the sound block and I will choose here place sound dance head note until done. Now this is the coding of backdrop. Now I want my sprite. So I will go in the sprite library and I will take it dance category. In dance category I will take it 4 LB dance character. So this LB dance is good. One I have taken this, and second I will take another same. I will take it total 4 LB dance, because even steps are good, so that's why I have chosen that for you all. So again I will go here dance. This is the third one, third sprite of dance. I will choose this LB dance. I have get 3 is 2, and again I want third one and then fourth. So I will go here on dance and I will choose the dance LB dance. So yeah, you can see 3 are here and the last one I have taken it. Yeah, so now I get 4 sprite of LB dance. I back it. You can see here these are 4. Now you can see their size is very big, so I will just decrease it to the 70. You can take it anyone. I am taking 70. Yeah, on this even I am taking 70. So 70, and even the LB dance 3 also, there also I will take it 70, because I want every sprite as equal and same dance. I want same step, same dance and same size also. So that's why I have taken this. For making their position I will just put the coding first on the LB dance. So I will just go here. Whenever the green flag will click, I always take, we have to take for that as I said, and then I will just take it a block as we want a position of it. So that's why I will go in the motion and I will take it, go to x. So the x will be minus 144, you can take it, and the y will be 19 is better. Yeah. So now I have taken this, I will just drag it here and then I will just switch a costume. So first I want its costume to be stand. After any step I want to her as stand. So let's choose this. Yeah, this stand I will choose. Yeah, now I have taken this stand and then I will go in the control block. I will take it forever block, and then I will just go in the loop block and I will take it. I want to choose a brightness, so that's why I am taking this. Let's see, slowly I will just drag it. So yeah, change color. So instead of color we will choose here brightness. So the brightness, so in the brightness we want, so the brightness will be in the minus section. So brightness will be, you can take -3. Yeah, -3 is good. And then I will just drag it properly, then you can see. Yeah, after that I will just want to have every costume, every dance step. So for that I will not put each and every step, I will just go in the loop block and I will put this next costume, and then I will go in the control block and I will wait her for 1 second. So what happen, it will, the brightness will also change and even she will stand at one position, and then all costume will come and each costume wait for 1 second. Now I want this all coding in same, so that's why I copy here. So yeah, now I get it here also. Now I want on the third one, fourth one I get it here. I didn't get here, I get it in second one. Yeah, so I will just copy it on the third one. So yeah, now I get here also. So our first is here, second. So let's change the position of second. So the position of second sprite will be like, I want a up and down group dance like that. So for that I will just x will be, I will do it -36, you can choose, and y will be -15. So let's choose -15. Yeah, in the LB dance 3 I want a downside, so for that I will choose in the positive 162. Yeah, and the y will be in negative -26 is better, I think. So yeah, -26. And the last sprite I will do it both will be positive. So I go to x will be 71 and go to y will be, I will just stop it. Yeah, go to y will be 27. Yeah, now I will just save it, and first I will just stop it here, and then I will just, first I will click here. Yeah, now his position is good. So even all the coding has done of these also. This is the coding of third sprite, this is the coding of third sprite, this is the coding of fourth sprite, and this is the coding of our backdrop. So now let's go in the full screen. I will click here on green flag. You can see they are just dancing properly step by step also, and their color also changing in the shadow. In the last they will become as black. Now their costume has become really black. Yeah, now you can see they have become a shadow. So now they are just on the standing position, as I said. So that's all, and even you can give a title, shadow dance, like that. Shadow dance, we will put it like shadow dance. So now I have given a shadow dance. So friends, this is all about today. If you like this my video, so please like it and please share it with everyone, with your friends, with children, because this scratch is especially for children. So please share it, and if you are new on my channel, so subscribe it and ring the bell icon to get my more updates at first. and comment me in comment section how was my this video. And yeah, thank you for watching.